Good morning, guys. Sorry for sending this daily outlook very late. I wouldn't say I was busy. I slept very late last night. If you guys checked the last time I sent a message in the group last night, it was around 5 a.m. because I was studying, and at the same time, I was looking forward to VIX 75 so that I don't go to bed and wake up and our account is blown. Okay. So today I want to talk about the last signal we took, because we've been carried away by VIX 75. We don't even look at the forex pair. The only reason is because VIX 75 is giving us one of the best opportunity at the moment. Now, a few days ago, I told you guys to buy. I told you guys I'm buying USDJPY, GBPJPY, and NZDUSD. Then I gave you guys the entry here. Now, after I did that, I told you guys please use the smallest lot size as possible. Reason is because this market is expected to pump aggressively, but not yet, or maybe we might encounter some retracements. That is why I said use the smallest lot size as possible. Okay, now let's move to USDJPY. If you guys watched my Zoom call or my daily outlook, the one I uploaded yesterday, I told you guys that okay, this market is currently at this point. Now, two things can happen. We can see this market start soaring high from here, or we can see this market dump back to this level. Then this will be the level where we want to buy the markets. Correct me if I'm wrong. I told you guys this. That was why our analysis is still here, right? Now, this is a perfect position to buy USDJPY. Do you get me? This is a perfect position to buy USDJPY. In fact, while the call is actually ongoing, let me send a signal to the group now, so every single individual can actually buy USDJPY now. Okay, on our SL would be here below this candle here. Let me see. Let me go to the daily first. Okay, the buy is not valid yet. Buy is not valid yet, guys. Don't buy USDJPY yet. Let's see how the market will react around this level. Then it will determine if we will buy or if we will sell. But regardless of whatever happens, I promise to keep you guys updated. Okay, don't buy yet. I'll tell you guys what to do. I was about sending buy before I actually saw something on the daily time frame. Even though we are actually approaching this level here, which is this, I would like to see this market show a little bit of strength to the upside. Then we can start buying. Okay, so just be calm. So the reason why the market took us out, I told you guys this was the reason here. I was expecting a push here. That was why I say use the smallest lot size possible, because this market can still come back to this demand zone here, this minor demand zone here. And if it gets back to this point, I don't want to be in a situation where we'll pump big lot size and we end up stopping out. Okay, so with me analyzing USDJPY, I've already analyzed GBPJPY, NZDJPY, because immediately this USDJPY now start buying, GBPJPY, NZDJPY, they will all start buying. Is that clear, guys? Okay, so I just wanted to make that clear. So most of you that was actually worried, maybe you say Anthony is not talking about this trade again. Was it because the trade went to hit SL? No, I'm actually very transparent I'm actually a very transparent mentor. If my trade hits SL, I would explain. If it hits TP, I would explain. Regardless of whatever the outcome is, don't allow the chart get into your head. Don't allow the chart put you in a position where you are scared. You don't know what to do. Okay, thank you. Or you're scared of admitting that you took loss, so that people will not say you're a bad trader or blah blah blah. No, if you took loss, you take it with your full chest. So let's see how the market will react around this point here, which is this level, if we'll be taking more buys or if we'll be looking for more sells. I just saw something on the daily time frame now, and that is exactly what is showing on the VIX time frame here. And whenever you see something like this, the market might continue dumping. Although if the market holds this level here, then we look for buy. But 10 times out of 10 that the market has presented this opportunity, the market dumped aggressively. So I don't want to just rush or risk you guys' account. Okay, good. Now let's move to USOIL. Like I told you guys yesterday, USOIL is still dumping, This is my TP target here. I told you guys to start selling US oil. And what is actually happening, the market has actually been selling since yesterday. So take note of this also, guys. Take note. This market will continue dumping until it gets to this level. If you're someone that trades US oil, just put your SL above here, 74. Sell the market down to 69. Is that clear? Good. Now let's move to BTC USD. Now BTC USD refused to come back to this our level. Now I'll give you guys the reason why that did not happen, because at the end of the day, a minor demand zone was located at this point here, right? And what happened? The market is looking as if it wants to respect that zone. Now, if that zone is being respected and these markets continue with this momentum, there are chances that we might see something like this. Okay, there are chances that we might see something like this. But if this momentum was probably due to maybe the federal fund rate cut yesterday that is pumping every class assets like gold, BTC and all that, then maybe we would see something like this then before the market comes back to this level that we are looking to buy. So at the end of the day, by 12 p.m. we would know if this market will be creating a new all-time high or if we should continue looking for sales. Okay, now let's move to NZDUSD and AUDUSD. Remember what I told you guys yesterday? I say if you want to sell NZDUSD, you can start selling at the moment, but left for me, I won't be selling NZDUSD until that market retraces back here and it will start selling. Same thing with AUDUSD, because AUDUSD is the mother asset. So you want AUDUSD to start selling before you start selling NZDUSD. Do I make myself clear? You want AUDUSD to be selling before you start selling NZDUSD. That's the only way that you will make bastard money from this market. Okay, good. So with that being said, let's move to our final pair, one of our best pair so far this year, gold trading. Now, we wanted gold to come meet us at this level so we can buy, but gold is acting stubborn and gold is refusing to come to us, and I don't want us to chase it. What did I tell you guys? I told you guys yesterday that if gold breaks above here, I will still give you guys what to do next. I want to see this market now break above here, then come back into this level here, then we'll buy. This is the only level where we'll buy gold, but we are not buying now until it breaks above here. Do you understand? Remember, the federal funds rate was actually released yesterday. So let me move back and so we can actually just talk about what happened yesterday. Once more, I'm saying sorry for actually doing this late. I'm supposed to have posted it. I want to even increase the time, reduce the time I do post my daily outlook to maybe 9 a.m. because immediately everybody is waking up, so that they'll just go watch the daily outlook, then get on with their day. Now, this was the federal funds rate release. No rate was increased, no rate was added. It was left at 4.5 bps. And you can see what Powell said. The policy rate was left unchanged, and there was no change in balance sheet policy, both as universal. Okay, so the Federal Reserve held rates steady on Wednesday after the price increase ticked up over the last 3 months, suggesting. So at the moment, the rate was actually held, and dollar was expecting maybe an increase in rate cut, so we can see a massive push to the upside, but nothing happened. It was just kept steadily. I actually feel the reason why nothing was done is because Donald Trump just entered. So hopefully from February, we should start seeing more work from Donald Trump. You should start expecting more strength on the dollar, because at this point, I'm sure you guys do watch the news. Donald Trump just entered and he's more focused on deporting people than even doing anything concerning the economy at the moment. Okay, when he's done deporting everybody, maybe from February, then he'll focus on the US economy. So let's just carefully wait and see what happens when we get to that point. Now remember, always go to investing.com immediately you wake up. Just glance through it, okay? You don't need to understand what they are saying, but gradually, the more you're watching, the more you start seeing most of this headline, you will understand what's going on. You'll be able to just say, okay, this is what's happening in the market. The dollar might be strong soon, crypto might dump soon, blah, 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 blah. Like the video I sent you guys yesterday explaining what happened to the stock market, how DeepSeek crashed the US stock market and they lost over $1 trillion. Okay, so with all that being said, Dollar is still calm. This is the last week of January. Maybe from next month, from NFP and fast forward, the market will be very, very bullish for dollar. More dump for US oil because Donald Trump said it's too expensive. I told you guys already. Let's see what will happen to USDJPY. Although USDJPY now at this point is waiting for the dollar. So whatever move happens on the dollar will determine what will happen on USDJPY, okay? Same thing for BTC. By 12 p.m. we want to see if this market would have broken above here or consolidate, then we look for more sell. AUDUSD, NZDUSD, we want to see AUDUSD come back here, then we look for sell. Then we'll be selling AUDUSD and NZDUSD. As for gold, we want to see gold break above this level, which is actually looking as if that is what will happen. When it breaks above here, come back to retrace here, then we'll look for buy to the upside, okay? Now let me move to VIX 75. I gave you guys a sell this morning. And the reason why I gave that sell was because the market was already looking very weak at the moment, but I still feel we can still see one more dump to this level here, 80.00. I still feel we can see one more dump to that level before maybe the market would start buying aggressively to the upside. Okay, let me explain to you guys what actually might happen, or what I actually think might happen. Something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the market will start shooting to the upside. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. So let's just hold our market, hold our sell, and by God's grace the market gets to this position, then we close VIX sell for the week. This should give everybody massive profit, because so far this week we've taken 3 trades on VIX 75. All has been in our favor, and even the one I just called today is also in our favor. So by God's grace, let's make money together. If this is your first time joining my daily outlook, please do well to join my Telegram channel. I always share information there, share videos, help everybody, and let's make money, guys. Thank you all. And once more, I apologize for sending the daily outlook this late. Peace.